I have a loaded question for you today. Is an attorney's success rate a good indicator of what he can do for you and your particular case? You want to know the answer? Come join me as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Jerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. Here's the reality. When you're involved in a car accident, when you're involved in medical malpractice, or even a wrongful death matter, now you're trying to find an attorney to help solve your problem. Do you go to an attorney who's never done this before? Do you go to an attorney who's got 25 years of experience? Do you go to an attorney who's got multiple million-dollar verdicts? The question is, who's the best attorney for you? Now, the mere fact that an attorney has had in the past great results, great successes, does that automatically mean that he can do the same thing for you? The answer is, of course not. And there is no attorney in New York who can ever guarantee a particular result. But now, let's give a hypothetical question. Let's assume now that you've got a significant injury as a result of a careless doctor, and now you're trying to find the right attorney for you. You can go to an attorney who's right out of school, who graduated law school a little while ago, who recently passed the bar exam, and is now handling his first medical malpractice case. Or you could choose to go to an attorney who's got 25 years of experience with many large verdicts and great results, and now you're trying to choose which lawyer is right for you. Obviously, there are pros and cons to each one. Merely because an attorney has had great results in the past, does that automatically mean that he can do the same thing or something similar for you? Well, I think the reality is that obviously somebody who's got 25 years of experience knows what to do. Importantly, he also knows what not to do. And having a track record like that is always helpful, especially to an injured victim trying to accomplish and obtain compensation for all the harms and injuries that you suffered. So let's turn it around and use an example of a doctor. Let's say you need surgery. Are you going to go to the surgeon who's never done this before, maybe has done it once or twice before? Or are you going to go to a surgeon who's done this for 20 years and knows exactly how to do this? Most people are going to turn around and say no. They want to go to the attorney who has tons and tons of experience and a track record of doing a great job. And by the way, you should also ask every attorney you're considering, by the way, Mr. Attorney, have you ever lost a case? Have you ever lost a case at trial? Watch the response to that. You will find that most trial attorneys who try cases in New York, even the best of the best lawyers, have lost cases over the course of their career. And it could be for many different reasons. But ask that question and watch what type of response you get. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you to give you an insight and an understanding into how these types of cases work as you're choosing, as you're deciding which attorney is right for you. You know, I realize you've got questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, again, if your matter happened here in New York and you've got legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day, and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Jerry, G-E-R-R-Y, @oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Jerry Oginski. Have a great day.